So now we'll see the next question, which is not a pre-treatment unit. Okay, so here options are given. So first let's see the treatment process. So first, from flow equalization tank, it goes to the screen, then to grid chamber or detritus tank, then to skimming tank, then primary sedimentation tank, then biological unit, then secondary sedimentation tank, tertiary treatment, and over to the disposal. So first, what is a flow equalization tank? So when when the wastewater goes towards the municipal wastewater treatment plant, actually the flow rates are different. So when these flow rates are different, what happens is that the strength of this waste water decreases, and it decreases the efficiency of the treatment. So we have to reduce this variation. For that, large basin tank, which is the equalization tanks, are constructed so that this wastewater first moves to this equalization tank where it is collected and stored, and then it is pumped. Okay, it is pumped from this flow equalization tank at a constant rate to the municipal wastewater treatment. Then next is screen. Screen is actually a core screen where large floating matters are collected. Then grid chambers or detritus tank. So grid chambers remove inorganic matter. Detritus tank is actually a grid chamber, but it removes both inorganic and some organic matter also. So these include like settlable inorganic matters like large glass pieces, etc. Next, it goes to the skimming tank where oil and grease can be removed. Then it goes to the primary sedimentation tank, that is the primary sludge removal. Here the removal of settlable organic matter takes place. Settlable, we should know that here removal of settlable organic matter takes place, and here the amount of organic matter is more compared to the microorganism living things. So next, it goes to the biological unit or biological treatment. So till here, like flow equalization to primary sedimentation tank, it is a primary treatment process. Okay, this is a primary treatment. Then it goes to biological unit, which can be activated sludge process or trickling filter, etc. Then here what is removed? Suspended and dissolved organic matter is removed. Then it goes to the secondary sedimentation tank where here it is secondary sludge or biological sludge, because here the amount of organic matter is less compared to the microorganism or living cells. Then from here it goes to the tertiary treatment. So up to this is biological unit, up to the secondary treatment is actually the biological treatment unit. This is physical treatment unit. Then this one is biological treatment, and then it goes to the tertiary treatment, which is for phosphorus removal, nitrogen removal. Okay, then it goes to the disposal unit. So here it is asked which is not a pre-treatment unit. So okay, valve screens and grid chambers, yes it is. Flow equalization and proportioning tank, yes. Then utilization for pH adjustment, like it takes just before the primary treatment, primary sedimentation, like in coagulation and flocculation. Okay, so it is also right. But nutrient removal, no, it is actually a tertiary treatment. So which is not a pre-treatment unit? The answer is D.